Hi there, it's Eva and welcome to my channel Revit Plus. We're so happy that you decided to join us and learn more about Revit through our tutorial tips and tricks. Our main aim is to provide you with engaging and informative content that will enhance your Revit skills and overall experience. We truly appreciate your support, and if you enjoy our content, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so that you never miss out on our latest videos. Thanks for watching. Okay, so in today's video I want to give you an update about Canva and artificial intelligence. And so because I was testing this tool from the very beginning, and it's improving. Canva is improving a lot, so that's I want to show you that. Okay, so let's say I'm going to show you all the images that I generated in less than 1 hour. So, and then I'm going to show you the prompt that I used to create all these images. Look at this, how the the skies, I really like the clean skies, very light, and look at the reflections on the building. It's really nice, and the green on the trees is really, it's a really nice things. Just they're improving. Canva is improving a lot. And look at this, the reflections, they're really nice. So that's another. And for example, let's say that you are working in concept design, which is the first stage in our project. And yes, and we want to explore a little bit about the facade, the cladding that we are going to use in our building. And yes, so I think this tool is fantastic because you can just create different options, and then you can discuss with your team and just make a presentation that I'm going to show you how to do. Look at this, look at how nice these trees are here in the park, in the middle of the park. People they have to improve a little bit more. It's just a work in progress, but it's not too bad. And look at this, it's really nice. I really like. And I'm going to show you the prompt that I used to generate all these images. Look at the reflection on the glass, it's really nice. The skies, they're really clean skies, I like that. And so yeah, so look at this, the park, that's really nice. So look at this complex structure here, that's really nice. I'm going to give you the prompt from all these images that I generated. Look at this, the water is really nice, and the reflection as well, really nice. And that's another. Okay, so that's for this, all these images, the style that I used, I did the style that which is the one that is by default, and I'm going to show you text to image. You are going to click here. That was my prompt. Zaha Hadid residential tower, glass facade, Voronoi structure, perforated facade, Fibonacci sequence, New York Central Park. Okay, so that was my prompt. And here in style, just I use none, which is the realistic style. And because I was trying the others, but this is the one that I like the most. But I'm going to show you a little bit as well. Look at this, look at really nice, the water, the reflections, they're really nice. And I'm going to show you, look at this, the car, not too bad, it's not too bad, I like it. Look at the trees, it's really nice. Okay, so all of this is made with the non filter, let's say filter. So let's continue. I want to show you just like how you can see people, if they have to improve, and cars as well. Furniture, mobiliary, just all of this they have to improve, but buildings is just, yeah, it's getting better, that's really nice. Okay, so look at this, that's really nice. And yeah, that's nice. Look at this, the water and the reflection, really nice. And look at this, you can just kind of see the interior part inside, really nice as well. Okay, let's continue. Look at this. This entrance, really nice. So yes, here more, and it's changing as well the tones of the vegetation, the trees, and really nice. Okay, let's keep going. Yes. So yes, that's, I think that this is the last. And from the next, I changed the style and I click in Filmic. So how you can see, it's going to be more dramatic. The images more dark, a little bit darker. The trees, and in general, it's more like a drama. You can see like a more really, yeah, cinema films, stuff like that. So but really nice as well, because I think when we are in concept design, that we are just, trying to define or clarifying our ideas in terms of how it's going to be our building or facade and all these kind of things. So yes, you can put on the table all these ideas, and then we can discuss with our team about how we're going to, or in which direction are we going to work, to just to get some kind of this inspiration, let's say, in this way. And so yes, so just it's really nice. So things that we can use in our process, and really nice. So this is all is Filmic style. Yes, so really nice. I really like the trees, how it's just is blended with the building. It's really nice. Okay, so here as well, okay, some really nice. Okay, so let's say, I think I try a couple of more of filters, and then as I'm going to show you a little bit more. Stay with me, I will show you something else. Okay, so that's really interesting, that the reflection that you have from the other buildings. This reminds me a lot a building that is in Barcelona, from the architect Gaudi. This is very similar. I think it reminds me this, I don't know, this vertical elements that you have there in the facade. Okay, so yes, it's kind of nice. I think I like it. It's just we have material here to discuss with our team. Okay, so here I try a different filter. It's just I will show you, which was watercolor, and others is okay. But look, I used the same the prompt that it was the same, exactly the same prompt. It's not giving me any building here, like a tower residential building. Okay, but it's in general, but it's too bad. It's fine. It's funny. So yeah, so I did just a couple. Okay, so here I changed the style, and if you click here in see all, you can see all the styles that you can use. And in this case, I used this one, ink print. So yeah, so this is what I got from this filter. It's not too bad, not too bad. Okay, it's nice. I like that. Okay, and then I went back again to my just regular. I like the one that is just none. I like this one. So that's is what, yeah, I got from this filter, which is okay. It's fine. It's realistic, and that's it. Okay, this is the last. Okay, so now let's say that we want to prepare a presentation for our team, so we can discuss all together what we're in which direction are we going to work towards our design. So that's this is a really cool tool I'm going to show you. So let's go to home. In home page, we are going to click in docs to texts. Click here. It's going to open a white Canva, and then just cancel this, and we are going to just delete that. And here I just wrote my prompt, which is this one. I'm going to copy and paste here, that's done. Now we are going to use some of the images that we were using in our project. So let's say that we're going to show this image. We're going to show next one is this one. We're going to show next one, which is this one. Yes, and this one as well. I like this, and maybe this one, and maybe just a closing image that it could be something more dramatic, like we saw before. That it could be this one. Okay, nice. Okay, so now we are going to convert this in a presentation. So we are going to click here in convert to presentation here. So now is where the magic is happening. Okay, so let's see. So now it's just changing the style, and then look at this. So you can click here and it's making like it gives you some, yeah, like a PowerPoint presentation with kind of like a brush there on the top of the buildings. It's like a really nice. I like this one with this kind of orange and yeah, first page. I like this one. So yes, let's go for this one and then say create my presentation. Okay. And so yeah, so look at this. It's really nice. Yes. So we have this, and you can just, and as well you can change the colors, you can change the background, you can change the transparency, you can change that if you don't like. You can modify. But I think it's just to, you know, to have a nice, it's a really nice. And then if you don't like this, just go here again and change your styles. You can change everything that you like, but in this case for us it's very enough, because we are going to just working between us with my colleagues, and we are going to discuss about these beautiful organic shapes that we generated before. Okay, so that's all for this video, and I hope you like it. If you like, please click a like and subscribe, and as well just make some comments like, do you like this kind of thing, that so I can make more, or would you prefer to just speak about Revit, which is, that's not the problem. I love Revit. Revit is my cup of tea, like we say here in the UK. And yes, and as well, I've been working in Revit from 2008. So I know Revit. So I love Revit. Okay, I hope you like this video, and please click a like, subscribe, and let me leave your comment below. So let me know your thoughts. Thank you. Bye.